Hi, this is Ruth from Artful Sass Design. I'm bringing today a travel journal which I have made using my travel digital kit. It's got a board cover with one of the images from the kit and a fabric spine for strength, and I think it looks great as well. The tie here is sari silk ribbon, and I think the colours are just lovely with the colours of the journal. So opening up, the map goes over onto the back. I've made 2 signatures and there's lots of nice goodies inside. So we have a triple pocket here with lots of lovely little things just tucked inside. One of the there are several journal pages and a flap with some old script and a little travel poster from the kit, lined paper, and here we have a pocket with one of the images from the kit, lovely old vintage train, Paris. There's some postage stamps that you can use decoratively, a little tuck spot with more maps, and this is one of the 3 envelopes, map on one side, space to tuck secrets. Lots of tea stained paper, some stenciling with a Tim Holtz stencil, and I've used a recycled envelope, one in each signature, so I've collaged them, and each has a little journal card collaged from the kit. This is a treasure map, one of the pages, the journal pages from the kit. Again, some collage on the back of that recycled envelope. This is the biggest envelope, just clipped in here. So collage on the front, it's made of a map and some of the words. I've got a whole page full of different travel quotes and words. And a little map journal card to write things on. This is one of the journal pages made up of travel posters from exotic locations, but it has I put some paper on top so you can actually use it to write on. Another tuck spot with some ephemera, again the travel posters, some journal cards, and the back side of that travel poster journal page, some more journal cards with exotic locations, and that's more of the Tim Holtz stenciling. This is one of the background papers that I've included for the backgrounds of the journal pages because it's always nice to have something interesting on the back. Another one of the journal cards with the recycled envelope, lovely old suitcases, and more of the quotes, tea stained paper. And this is a script page that's similar to the one on the front, and I've done a little collage with different tickets. I think these are from Pink Monarch Prints, and I had a little postcard in the kit, and I've made a little booklet out of it with recycled paper. And a little Grecian lady, vintage, and more lined paper, and a nice big tag. I haven't put any ribbon or anything on the tags. I wanted to keep the journal fairly flat, but you could of course add that. And a beautiful turtle, and the vintage travel posters again. This is the centre of the signature. That's one of the postcards that's in the kit. I've put a little bit of fabric there, but you can change that if you like. Dream destinations, nice place to write a list of places you'd love to visit. An old car, and here are dramatic destinations: Stonehenge, London Bridge, Egypt, Paris, New York, Greece, China, and belly band with the vintage posters, another of the recycled envelopes, tea staining with a little bit lace to add interest to the page. These are the stamps made onto a journal page. A couple more of the journal cards from the kit, and a pocket with the recycled envelopes. and another of the journal pages. This is the center of the second signature, and I've used some of the images to make 2 pockets and added the journal card and another little envelope. Envelopes are lovely. I love the idea of writing something in secret and tucking it away so it's not obvious to somebody just looking at your journal. And these are journal cards tucking into a little china. And this says Love Junk Journals label. I love using them. They pop up everywhere. Some more tea stain paper, another quote. This is the back side of the second recycled envelope. And again, a little bit collage. So even if you didn't want to make a travel journal, I think the images in the kit are fun to use for collage. One of Tracy's labels. Another map with a little bit collage and another Tracy Fox labels. And the back side. So we've got China and San Francisco and the Taj Mahal on this side. A bit from Thailand as well, I think. And Sydney Harbour Bridge. Sydney Opera House, sorry, not the Harbour Bridge. I think that's Vietnam there. This is another of the images from the kit made into a pocket, and 2 more journal cards, and then we get the inside back page. So I've got another quote there and another deep pocket which I've inserted here, and you can put travel ephemera, tickets, anything you'd like to keep as a keepsake. A nice big journal card made from one of the images that is actually a journal page, but I think it looks nice as a card, and it has a Tracy Fox label. And one of the tags included in the kit just made into a journal card. I liked the colour to tie in with the journal page. And that's it. And this little flap just keeps the journal closed. If you really were taking it travelling, it's useful for it to have a nice secure closure. And so that's it. Thank you for your time, and bye for now.